January 1st. New goals. Total confidence. January 19th. Most resolutions are already dead. Same pattern Mondays. New months. Birthdays. After vacation. You blame yourself. I can't stick to anything. Wrong diagnosis. There's a real reason you feel that surge and lose it. It's called the fresh start effect. Documented. 2014. Millions of Google searches for diet spike every Monday. Not random. Predictable. Every single week. The mechanism, and how to use it daily. The most useful part, you don't need January 1st. You can trigger this effect on demand. Manufactured, not waited for. This connects directly to the program switch from Monday's video. Start with what a temporal landmark actually is. Ready? Time, objectively, is one continuous line. No breaks. But your brain segments it into weeks, months, years. Each dividing mark. A temporal landmark. A boundary. Mondays. New months. New years. Birthdays. After holidays. At each landmark, the previous episode ends. Sealed. And a new episode begins. Clean. Unwritten. That moment, the glow you feel on a Monday morning. This glow temporarily makes the right program easier to load. The starting threshold drops. Briefly. That's the entire effect. Now, the evidence. And exactly why it works. The researchers behind this looked at millions of data points. Catherine Milkman, Wharton School. A landmark study fittingly. Ready? 2014. Milkman and Riis analyzed Google search data. Searches for diet. Sharp spikes every single Monday. Same spike, the first of every month. And every January. January 1st, diet-related searches jump significantly above average. Gym sign-ups, same spikes. Same landmarks. Same pattern. Even financial commitments spike. Across totally different behaviors. They called it aspirational behavior. Goal-related action of any kind. Even smaller landmarks worked, the day after your birthday. Any clearly marked boundary works. Big or small. That requirement, clearly marked, is the key to manufacturing it. The evidence is clear. Now, why does this actually happen? Ready? At a temporal landmark, your brain does something specific. It psychologically distances you from your recent past self. Last week's failures now feel like someone else's failures. That distance reduces guilt. Reduced guilt increases optimism. You identify with an idealized future self. Briefly. Powerfully. Useful evolutionary trait. Recovering motivation after setbacks mattered. Modern version. Same mechanism, applied to diets and savings goals. The reduced guilt also reduces the threat signal from Wednesday's video. For a few days, the program switch costs less effort. That Monday surge was never random. It was your brain resetting. Mechanism understood. Now, what this creates in daily life. 3 patterns. Let's go. Pattern 1, the Monday diet cycle. Monday strict. Wednesday wavering. Weekend collapse. Repeat. Not failure. The natural decay of a temporary boost. Pattern 2, the New Year's resolution collapse. Biggest landmark. Biggest spike. Biggest crash. Same curve, scaled up. Bigger spike doesn't mean longer follow through. Same decay rate. Pattern 2 filed. Pattern 3, the waiting trap. I'll start Monday, said on a Wednesday. 4 wasted days. It compounds, wait for Monday, then next month, then next year. 3 patterns. 1 root, the boost is real but always temporary. None of this is failure. It's an unmanaged temporary resource. But why does it always fade? That's worth understanding too. Days pass. The curtain between past and present self thins. This week's small slips, now too recent to distance from. Also, the goal becomes familiar. Dopamine drops. Recognize this? The program switch ease disappears. The threshold rises back up. The boost was never the whole strategy. Just the opening. Most people walk through the door, then build nothing inside. But the boost window is exactly when structure is easiest to build. Use the open door to build the room. Not just walk through. And the biggest insight, you can mark your own landmarks. Research confirms it. Self-created landmarks work too. Documented. For ways to manufacture this. Building now. Ready? Technique 1. Install a weekly reset ritual. Same time, every week. Sunday evening, review the week. Write one if-then plan. This builds structure during the boost, not after it fades. Technique 2. Manufacture landmarks on demand. Any day works. Declare it explicitly. Today is my restart day. Write the date. Add a small ritual. Close the old notebook. Open a new one. Technique 3. Anchor new goals to landmarks that already exist. Don't wait for January. Use the first of every month instead. 12 smaller chances beat one high-pressure shot. Statistically and emotionally. Technique 4. Use the boost to install structure, not just motivation. During the boost, write the if-then plan. Design the environment. Clear the desk. Set the cue. Do it while the doors open. When the boost fades, the structure remains. That's the point. 4 techniques. Weekly ritual, manufactured landmarks, monthly anchors, structure building. Notice, every technique uses tools from this series. Already familiar? Tonight, pick your nearest landmark. Write one if-then plan for it. You don't need to wait for motivation. You can manufacture it. The sun icon glows whenever you decide it does. Not the calendar's choice. Miss Monday? Don't wait a week. Declare Wednesday your reset. Frequent small resets sustain progress better than rare, big ones. This connects everything: programs, ambiguity, and now, fresh starts. Manufactured fresh start plus specific task plus structure. Program loads easily. Sunday, review, declare, plan. Monday, the door is already furnished. This is the complete toolkit. 4 techniques. Use them weekly. No more shame about restarting. Restarting often is the strategy. You could declare today a fresh start. Right now, mid-video. Before the close, the single most important sentence. The boost is real, brief, and entirely yours to schedule. Tonight, pick your landmark. Write the plan. Build the structure. Now, the close. 2 things before we end. Every Monday you've ever felt that surge, it was real. You weren't weak for losing it. You were unaware you could keep it. Temporal landmarks. Psychological distancing. Manufactured fresh starts. 4 techniques. That January 19th collapse from the hook? It doesn't have to repeat. The fresh start was never the finish line. It's the door. Programs. Ambiguity. Fresh starts. 3 weeks of the same brain, explained. Tonight, pick a landmark. Write one if-then plan. That's enough. Work with your brain, not against it. Next Monday, the 3rd Series A video. We keep building. The toolkit grows every week. So does your understanding of yourself. Your next fresh start doesn't need a calendar's permission. It starts whenever you decide it starts. Including right now. Write it. Then go.